Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Beef Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these very comfy chair cushions from QILLOWAY. Super cushiony, as you could see. Very nice and vibrant green color. Since they are tufted, they've got this nice design here. I like the roundedness on top. These will look great in any backyard. They're also very durable. The stitching is very well done. No stitching coming undone at all. These work great in the rain because they repel the water very nicely, so you don't have to worry about these getting moldy or anything like that. They're also very easy to clean and simply wipe away any debris that collects on them. The nice thing is that you can tie these off in 4 separate locations. It's got 2 top ties and then 2 bottom ties, and they're very easy. You just tie a bow on each one and it keeps the cushions constrained to the chair. It has perfect placement. It doesn't slide around at all. You can sit in this for literally hours and feel perfectly fine after. These cushions arrived rolled up, and I just had to lay them out for about 24 hours and they gained their fluffiness. If you don't have cushions, trust me, you want cushions. Otherwise, you just have a plain table and your backyard doesn't look as nice. These are the cushions to get. You can get plain ones, but they don't look as nice as these. They don't look as fancy, and these just make your backyard look amazing. Overall, I highly recommend these cushions. Thanks for watching.